Investing 101 for beginners. Let's go. So let's start with the basics. So what is an individual stock or a stock? An individual stock, for an example, would be something like Microsoft, Apple, Google. Now, when you own an individual stock, in other words, that's just a form of you having what we call ownership. You have a share or a portion of ownership in that company. So when you are purchasing that stock, you are purchasing ownership of that company, and you purchase it in the form of what we call shares. So a share essentially is stock. So if you're looking online and you're looking at, for an example, let's say you're buying Apple stock. Let's say Apple is at $160. That means that in order to purchase one share of Apple, it will cost $160. So if you want to purchase 10 shares of Apple, it will cost $1,600. That's a quick example. How do you purchase stock? It's not back in the day where you used to have to purchase on the stock floor. Now you do it online with the online broker. So they have something called brokerage accounts. This is going to be things like Robinhood, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and they serve as a middleman between you and the stock exchange. So that's where you will buy all of your stock. Now, the way you make money in the stock market, for an example, let's say with the $160 Apple per share price that we use as an example. If you bought Apple at $160 and it went to $170 and you have 10 shares of Apple, which means that you paid $1,600, that means that your return on investment, it went from $160 to $170, you made $10 per share. So if you own 10 stocks, what you would do is you'll do 10 times 10. So whatever that gets you, 10 times 10 is going to be $100. So essentially you made $100 in that investment by simply owning stock and the price of that investment going up by $10 and you owning 10 shares. That's how you would make money in the stock market, and it will compound from there. The more shares you own, the more money you make, as long as that stock goes up. If you want or have any other questions, we're going to continue to do these entry-level stock market 101 tutorials. So make sure you follow me or send it off to somebody that needs to see this.